Well, the vet just called. Said I can work him in if I get up there in 15 minutes. So we're headed that way. Stand by. Well, the x-ray turned out nothing. Doctor says he's got a severe sprained ankle. That's what his problem is. While I was at the vet's office, I got an email. Somebody bought 30 pounds of lead. I had some lead on there in 10-pound boxes. Guy wants 30 pounds. So I'm going to ship them all to him in one box. I had to get some medium boxes from the post office. Okay, I got to go home, put the gear in the truck. The boys are already on the bay plundering. I have to catch up with them. Stand by. Just getting to the knife gig. Saturday morning. See who's here and who's everybody's. Nobody's on my side yet. I am early. Vegetable guy's here. Vegetable guy's there. Chicken lady. Cool. Stand by. I got my first real customer. I got a Benchmade. This is a small automatic. I don't have the model enough where I'll look at the model in a minute and see what it is. I didn't know Benchmade made a small automatic like this, but it's a pretty nice little knife. I had two knives, this one and a Henkel for the lady, cheese lady right there, but I just gave her one back so she could use it. But I just do that for trade, you know. And that's not really a customer like. It's a little after 9. You can see the market is starting to roll along pretty good. I got a guy said he's going to bring me some Heckles to sharpen. I don't know if he meant back this morning or next week, but anyway, we'll have to see how it goes. Stand by. It's a 2550 Benchmade. He's sharp now.
That's all our problem. Like, this guy can see any instructions. Great guy, tire cap. Did this, but he was really simple to see. Yeah, he did.
Homework. Kalamazoo will see this. Bring it back next Saturday to some fella. Just his favorite chisel. People are really funny about chisels. They like them sharp too. Stand by. You can see the market is cooking good now. It's around 11. The best of it. Macaroon lady. I'm waiting for my homework people to come and pick this stuff up, but so far I haven't seen anybody. These 4 belong to one guy. That little forest axe belongs to another guy. And I just got a bag full of homework. Let's see what's in here. Got a little set of loafers. I call them loafers. They're not too bad a shape. Kids trimmers. There is no combination of words but I will still tell you one thing. Come on there, you turkey. How you doing today?
Take a picture of that.
Sure.
I need to send that to Dylan in North Carolina.
You want me to open it up for you? It's got 2 blades.
Derby, yeah.
see.
garlicky.
Oh my God, we can talk. We were like in a distance, but it was absolutely delicious. Levi's cutting what it says in half, and it'll make a wonderful, amazing dip.
It's great. It's the first time I've ever really come out here.
Thank you.
Give you cash back once they get there and figure out how to unlock it. You're leaving at 1 o'clock.
Get like whatever.
Best of it. Pizza. Ice cream. Chickens.
No, I'm talking about my friend.
That's fine. Yeah, tell her to hold off.
Because she's not even. This, I've been trying to keep her in the shade. Yeah, summertime's a little bit rough for them. We have to be careful. She'll walk them at night. Yeah, they're not out.
You had a lot of bread earlier.
Yeah.
Your bread's going away fast, ain't it?
Quick, all the breakfast stuff is gone. This is all I have left.
I know you had piles of it when you gave in here this morning.
All my bins are empty. I'm not complaining.
I got you.
Dreams are so related, all they're